Look what came in. So the guys over at Glovebox sent me this monthly subscription package and I am super excited. Guys, I haven't even opened it yet. I have no idea what to expect, but I am super excited to open this up and see what is in this. I have an awesome 25% off discount code for you, so I will be leaving that in the description below, so make sure you snag that and I'll share that with you in a quick minute. But they curate, deliver, and teach detailing enthusiasts how to use premium car care products through their monthly subscription package. Truthfully, I'm really excited to see what is in this package, to see how I can learn more or what I can learn about car care that I don't already know. But let's get into it. Let's see what's in the box. Drop a comment if you have done a Glovebox subscription. I'd love to hear what you think, guys. I gotta find me some scissors. Okay, here we go. By the way, they didn't ask me to make this video. I'm totally making this on my own. This is as authentic a review as it gets. I don't know why I just smelled it. I was like, maybe there's something in here that smells good. Oh boy. Wow. Quite honestly, I wasn't expecting like full-size bottles. And I see some full-size bottles in here. Wow. To start. All right. What do we got? Oh, that's sweet. This is Turtle Wax's Mr. Cartoon All-Wheel Cleaner. Acid-free, color-changing formula quickly and safely dissolves brake dust, contaminants, and iron particles. So I was using Dark Fury, made by Superior, as my wheel cleaner because it could combo as a wheel cleaner and bug remover. And it was cheap and affordable, and I liked a 2-in-1 product. But it sucked on wheels, like so bad. I was not a fan. I had to use a lot of manual labor to clean my wheels, and I needed a new product. And I've been a fan of P&S, so I went with the P&S Brake Buster, and that's the new wheel cleaner that I'm using now. But it works great. But I'm excited to try something else. So this is freaking awesome. Stoked. That's awesome. It's like Christmas. Okay, another full-size bottle. What's it gonna be? Oh, sweet. So Turtle Wax Mr. Cartoon, interior and exterior protectant, plastic, rubber, vinyl, non-greasy, long-lasting, deep, rich shine with infused ceramic polymers, repel, protect, and add clarity. Cleans and delivers a rich, deep shine on dashboards, door panels, tires. I like that, tires, trim, and molding. So again, this is one of those products that I've been trying different products, trying to find the product that I like. I really liked the Aqua Gloss, but there were certain interiors that I found it just wasn't consistent. Like, it just wasn't a consistent shine when I applied the product, and I did not like that. So I moved on and started using Chemical Guys once I ran out of the Aqua Gloss. So I've been using the I've been using the Chemical Guys VRP. I like it. I like that I can use it on exteriors. I don't have any complaints about it, but I am excited to have a new product to try. We got a microfiber towel. Microfiber towel by Smart Choice. I wonder if we have a microfiber towel because we have a product that we can apply it with. Let's see. So we have another full-size product in here. Again, by the Turtle Wax, a quick detailer. I don't have a quick detailer. I haven't been using one. So what I love about a quick detailer is that, like, sometimes you just have a little spot, or sometimes you have like a little streak or a water spot that got left behind, or sometimes using these in the door jambs just to like add that extra shine to door jambs. Quick detailers are awesome to have, but I don't have one. So that's super cool. So let's read the description here. Swirl resistant, streak free, Caranuba and ceramic blend delivers incredible depth of shine and durable protection. Quickly achieve a just waxed appearance. Hydroglide polymers trap and encapsulate dirt and grime for a swirl-free finish. Ceramic hydrophobic polymers add durable protection, intense shine, and amazing water beading. Use as a waterless touch-up in between washes to remove light dust, dirt, and road grime. Yeah, wipe clean with a microfiber towel. So this towel goes hand in hand with this. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was a little nervous when I was opening this box initially because I was afraid it was gonna be very focused on a lot of exterior detailing, which just, I don't do any in-depth exterior detailing. But if you're just somebody who actually loves, why they gotta do this to me right now? Okay, guys, there's still more. Still more. There's a koozie, because who doesn't need a koozie? I actually need a koozie. Let's koozie it up right now. I'm drinking a good old LaCroix. Let's koozie it up. Thank you, O'Reilly. Thank you, Glove Box Detail. Koozie might be one of the hardest products to use in the subscription box, but we're not going to judge. Here we go. All right. Okay, we got this. We got this. I guarantee all these other products are way more simple to use than the koozie. All right, we in business now. Okay, there's still more though, in all seriousness. So fresh. Ooh. Gonna have to save this one for a certain detail. Okay, so this is the So Fresh Odor Eliminating Stay Lucky Auto Fogger. Clean car, remove sources of odor, turn the air to max with air recycle on. Man, this would have been so good in a, I had a mice detail. Somebody had left a car sitting for a while. They were gonna sell it. Then they decided to give it to their son, and mice had gotten into it in the meantime. So I found a big old mouse nest. They had found one previously when they brought it to the mechanic, and there was just, they called me in to do a full-on cleaning of that vehicle to get the mice smell out of there. This would have been killer to do and have at that point in time, but we'll use it again at another point in time. But turn the air to max with air recycle on, place the fogger in a cup holder or on floor, press top firmly to activate, leave the vehicle, be sure all windows and doors are closed, wait 15 minutes, dispose of can, and enjoy the fresh new scent. So that's pretty cool.
Let's see. I mean, we got some goodies in here. Some random little goodies. Let's see what we got. Stickers.
So we got some stickers. $5 off purchase of $10 or more. This is awesome. So this is like a bonus $5 off, because remember how I mentioned to you that I used that Superior Dark Fury and I loved it for bug removal but hated it for tires? I buy it from O'Reilly's. Now I can get $5 off. I ain't hating on an O'Reilly's discount. Let's check out some of their past boxes. October, DIY Detail. So a rinseless wash by DIY Detail. I heard a lot of good things about that product. Armor Detail Supply shampoo. Ultra Wash by Owner's Pride. A microfiber wash sponge and a microfiber car wash mitt. Pretty badass. Can I say that again? It's pretty badass. So I just added up the total retail value of all the products that I got out of this box, and it came to be about $55. According to their website, your box each month will vary from $55 to $105 in value. And for a monthly subscription price of $34.99, that makes total sense. So if you guys want to try a box, you get 25% off your first box. Use promo code JESS25, JESS25, and you'll get 25% off. That's a pretty hefty discount. You're welcome. Got to give a big shout out and thank you to Glove Box Detail. Totally appreciate this. These are badass. I love what you guys are doing. And yeah, thanks for the products. Can't wait to put them to use. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and drop your comments on your thoughts below. And be sure to head over to Glove Box Detail. Follow them on Instagram, follow them on Facebook. Go check their website out and use code JESS25 to get 25% off your first box. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and we will talk next time, guys.